Good morning, little Pludge.
Good morning.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Eat. Good morning. You alright, Bubs? What's the matter? What time is it? 10 to 7. Ari's on her second bowl of squirrel. This little man hasn't been sick since 11 o'clock yesterday morning, touching wood. Touching all the wood. And again, touch wood, nobody else has vomited. So, hopefully, we're all in the clear. Oh dear. Ugh. I can't remember if I showed you my painting that I did or not. I'm just going to show you anyway because... Did I show you? I don't think I did. I don't know. If I have showed you, I'll just edit this bit out. I did a painting and I absolutely love it. I love it so much. And then I've got 2 more there to do as well. Not sure what colours I'm going to do with those, but my mum bought me some new acrylic paints yesterday and some oil pastels, which I've never used before. She got me some oil pastels, which I don't know how to use. I'm going to have to like Google how to use those. And then she got me, move the giant chocolates. She got me an acrylic painting pour book, and then she got me these, which look lovely. So I feel like I'm going to do like an orangey yellow one. I feel like that would be nice. But yeah, so that is that. I'm going to get these babies ready for school. Fossey's with me today. He's meant to be at nursery today, but he can't go.
No.
Why can't you go?
From I sick.
From you're sick, yeah.
Yeah.
So he's here, he's in all day Monday, all day Tuesday and half day on Thursday, but he's obviously not allowed to go today. So he's just going to stay at home with his mama. And I'm not really sure what we're going to do. We might go to the library this afternoon while everyone else is at school, just for a little look. Yeah. I'll see you in a bit. Hey. We just got back from Lidl. I had to get some bread. And just as I was leaving, I saw they had these, that's not from it, these £1.50 veg boxes. And Fox picked this one because it had broccoli. So we got broccoli. Haven't actually looked at it properly yet. A little lettuce. Ooh, a grapefruit. Lots of onions. A pear, which looks questionable. Some parsnips, which I love. Another lettuce. Lots of little potatoes. Some carrots. Some tomatoes, which look like they've seen better days. Some mint. Another lettuce. A lemon. Some carrots. Yeah, £1.50. Happy with that?
You don't eat.
What are you eating? Your broccoli?
Yeah.
Is it your favourite? He only eats the tree bit, but he loves it. I just went through. This is what I got from the veg box after I picked out all the rough stuff. A couple of the tomatoes were manky, and there was a couple of manky plums in the bottom and a gross orange. But yeah, 3 lettuces, loads of carrots, loads of onions, little potatoes, a lemon, a chilli, a pepper, broccoli, a grapefruit. Oh, that's my bread roll for dinner. Ignore that. Yeah, I'm really, really pleased with that. So I'm going to chop it all up and prep it and get it ready to go in the fridge. The bad guy. I've just done some veg prep. So those little lettuces I had from Lidl, I've chopped and put into here with paper towel to keep them fresh. The carrots and the onion, and I had some celery in my freezer. I've just blended up so I can hide these in the veg, and I just put these in the freezer. Blanched my parsnips, done my grapefruit for the morning, and the rest of this stuff is okay. I'm going to just put it in the fridge and then use it as and when. Hey, it's 4:45. Foxy's in the shower. He can't hurt himself, so I'm just literally sat eating my dinner. I forgot to show you yesterday, one of my friends sent me a drill with the caption from Amazon saying we don't need a man. So that's amazing. I've got my own little drill now, which is just so lovely. We went to the stay and play at the library, but there was one little girl there who was 18 months and she only stayed for like 15 minutes. And then another little girl turned up who was 9 months. There wasn't really anyone for Fox to play with. But next week, my friend Amanda says she's going to come with her little girl, and I'm going to ask my other friend if she wants to come with her little boy, who Foxy's already friends with. And he wanted to say hello to nursery this morning because he wasn't allowed to go in, obviously, because he was sick, and which I think he just ate something. And they said, oh, come in. I said, oh, he's not allowed in today because he's been sick. And she was like, oh, bring him tomorrow. And I said, well, he's not in tomorrow. He's not scheduled. She said, I'll just bring him anyway. So he's going to nursery tomorrow. I'm gonna go to Next because my mum ordered Foxy some boots before Christmas in the sale, and they're in. So I'm gonna go and get those, like little winter boots. The girls are coming up in a minute for their showers because they need their hair washed. I've just restarted my course because I'm doing a herbalism course. I started it a while ago, and then obviously with everything that's happened I just haven't been doing it. But my newest assignment is to write about different seeds, and I want some obscure seeds. So if you can think of an obscure seed, put it down below. And I have to write about what the seed is like, the texture of it, the size of it, what the plant grows from it is like in relative to the size. And I have to write in-depth thing about 25 different seeds, or 26 different seeds, I can't remember. But yeah, that is this assignment. Because my car's fixed, my friend can come and stay next week. I'm so excited, it's amazing. I bought this and sent her a picture saying, you need to do this for me next week. So she's going to do my legs next week, so we'll film that. So you can look forward to that, because she will not, if I say, oh no, don't, it hurts, it's just going to make her do it more. So she's going to do it. Yeah, I'm going to go and tell the girls to come up. I'll talk to you in a bit. Yeah?